So guys, I forgot to show you in the previous video when I installed the LED turn signals on the front. Those are switchbacks. So it means on the low voltage when you have your lights on, they're supposed to be, you know, the corner light's supposed to light up. And these are white, crystal white switchbacks. So let me show you how they look at night. So when you turn on the lights, let me show you how it looks on the front. And then we have on the front we have this beautiful crystal clear switchbacks. And when you turn on your turn signal, there's a little LED lights. They're gonna turn on the orange lights on. This is how it looks when you don't turn on your headlights, but only when you turn on these daylight running lights. So this is how it looks. Like from far away, it looks like a little triangle. When you turn on your hazard lights, the side orange lights LEDs are like very bright and they start blinking. Looks cool. So guys, a Rav4 company sent me these more like original ones, like switchbacks with no white in the middle. The LEDs are not like bright white in the middle, they're like light orange switchbacks. This is more like original, that's what I wanted. I contacted the customer service at Rav4 and they sent me these. So I'm gonna install them, and the white ones, the ones that you just saw, I don't really want to keep those. Some of you might like it, but I really like it more like original. And I'm going to install these and I'll show you how it looks. Also, this product number T7443A, CAN bus ready, new LED technology, as previous before, you've seen it. So let's install this. So as you've seen before in my previous video, we have to reach for this little plastic piece. Let me show you. Right there. See right there? That's the part we need to twist to the left against the clock, you know, counterclockwise, and pull the LED bulb out. So I'm gonna shine the light here. As you see, turn it a little bit to the left and the bulb, just pull it out, and there you go. So I'm gonna replace this one with the orange one. See in the middle here, it's all crystal clear white LED. So these are switchbacks. I'm gonna put the one that looks like more original. Super easy, just to pull this thing out. Try not to touch with your fingers these LED lights. Just pull it out and replace with a new one. I already plug in the new LED light. Let's see how it works. Let's turn off the light. I'm gonna turn on the... See, the switchbacks are orange. Much brighter though than the original bulb. Much brighter than the halogen one. As you see here, you just gotta put this light through here. See here? Push it through and twist it to clockwise, and this LED is in place. And obviously, in order to do this on this side, again we have to remove this retaining clip that holds the washer fluid and pull this thing out. And here's the plug for the light. Turn it counterclockwise, pull the LED out nice and gentle, and we're gonna replace this one with the different one. This is the new orange switchback. We're gonna install it same way like we did on the other side. There's the connector here. It's hanging down here. Just gonna push it in. Now remember, if it doesn't work, flip it upside the other way around. You see that this LED is working. We installed it the correct way. Let's plug it back in into the housing. You just have to feel it like right around there. This is how the new switchbacks look like at night. They have like this orange look to it, very nice and bright, crystal clear. Let's turn on the hazard lights. This is how bright the hazard lights are. Oh, the whole street is lighting up. It's crazy. Also, what I'm gonna do, I have LED lights, T11 ones. I'm gonna replace it with these corner ones. When we turn on our headlights, looks like original one, but much clearer and brighter. So the reason why I replaced these switchback LEDs to these ones, because this looks more like original Toyota. And some people like when it's like crystal clear white. I personally like it more like it was original. So let's get to replace these right now. It's very easy to replace these corner T11 lights. There's a switch right here, the little plug. You just have to push it. This little tab. Wiggle a little bit, pull it out. And then this light, just turn it counterclockwise. As you see, this company Rav4 also sent me these CAN bus LEDs. They're called T10. Rav4 new 194, 168, 2825 LT10 white. So let's replace it. So this is Rav4 LED LT10, and this was the one I installed, the cheaper one that I bought at on eBay a long time ago. And as a comparison, this Rav4 looks so much better. The connectors are golden plated. Well, looks like they're golden plated, but they're not. Much thicker connector on the side, like on the side you can see. And this one, I don't know which one is this, but I end up buying it on eBay or somewhere. Let's do the Rav4. We're gonna plug it in into this port. This is how bright this Rav4 LT10 bulb is. Let's install it back into this place. Guys, I want to show you this difference. I kind of don't like one thing. These Rav4 LED switchbacks that turn signal, they have a little bit different color. They're like very light orange, and then this is the turn signal. This is the one that we just replaced with L10. It looks like more like a darker orange. I don't know. You can tell the difference. It's two different oranges, two different orange LEDs. I like more original one, or maybe just put like a the crystal clear white one. It looks better. And you see, this is the cheaper LED L10. It's not as bright as the one on this side. One on this side is much brighter, the Rav4. So I'm going to install on the other side the Rav4. So this is my video conclusion. You tell me, should I keep these LEDs or put the white ones in place? You let me know. But Rav4 LEDs are definitely good quality, much brighter, and I like they don't hyper flash. The resistor works very well. Like on the camera you can't really see, but this LED inside kind of looks like a brighter color, not as this one. This is more like yellow. But you let me know in the comments. Let me know if I should keep these or not. I should just put back the the white LEDs or not. Very bright.